Early start this morning. We've got kit packed down there and we're going off to do a job, and it's a video job. It's sort of a brand video, sort of explainers. There's a multitude of things that we're filming for them today, but we got a brand new toy because we like toys. We got the little Mavic Mini 2. So I thought we'd get that instead of the Mavic Air at the moment. Mavic Air is getting a bit old. That's nice and light. It's tiny. It's under 250 grams, which means I can use it in certain conditions I couldn't use the other in. Although I've got my commercial pilots and stuff, it's just convenient for doing stuff. So we've got a warehouse that we're going to do some work in. That's actually quite neat. There's no people in the warehouse, but it's tiny enough to get through certain bits and pieces. It's an automated warehouse that they're shutting down for us to do photos in and video in today. So that should be interesting. Be interesting to see the footage from that and how good it is. So look forward to playing with that. Yeah, let's go. Well, we're back. Unfortunately, we couldn't take you along on that day when we got there. There wasn't enough of us to concentrate on doing a vlog and the job in hand. That's the only thing with these times at the moment. We can't have so many people on site, so we have to take up the slack and do some of the extra work, which is a real pain in the backside, but it's something you've just got to deal with, really. Be interesting for any of you lot that are out there filming. How do you cope at the moment? Are you finding it a struggle not having several assistants do various bits and pieces, someone specifically doing lighting? Just be interested to know, really, how everyone else is coping. Obviously on a bigger set, it wouldn't be an issue. We were quite confined really, and we were at customers' premises, which meant that it's really awkward because they've got their own policies as well. We weren't on a proper set per se, so they can only have so many people in certain areas, etc, etc. But I did take that new little Mavic Mini up in the sky, which was, oh man, that was ace. That was really good. The quality out of that was just, yeah, I'm amazed that that's such a little tiny thing. Yeah, those things come in small packages, they say. It was really good, really impressed. Yeah, so definitely be playing a lot more with that this summer, which is nice. It's easy to take up. It's just, yeah, superb bit of kit. I would do a review on it, but there's so many out there, it really doesn't need mine, to be fair. Okay, in the office today, and it's the weekend. Yes, I gave up my weekend for this. In all fairness, I just didn't work yesterday and I had the day off, so switched it round. But have you ever attended, oh, there's a noisy vehicle outside, don't know if you heard that. Have you ever attended a conference, a photography conference? Well, I used to go to quite a few and really enjoy it. I like the fact that you're getting out doing things, but you know, we can't do that anymore. We've got to think of different ways of doing stuff. And we've got one here, which is the Art of Photography. It's a conference that's on today and it's all day. So yes, I'm not going to be here to 10 o'clock this evening, in all fairness. But what I am going to do is be able to go back in and dip into some of the ones that are on there as well. So this is actually run by a mate of mine, Nat, who we're going to go and see in a few weeks' time. We're going to go down. He's got a gallery, which is really nice. He does some amazing artwork, so he takes photographs but he does make some more abstract and does stuff with them. Also a talented photographer, but don't tell him that, you know, blow his head. But yeah, this conference should be really good, so I'm going to sit on here for most of the day and just enjoy it. And the reason I've come to work is that I've got no broadband at home. We've just moved to a new house and I've got no broadband, so I've had to come here, but actually peace and quiet. I can just get on and do stuff without being distracted every 5 minutes by doing something. So yeah, should be good. Let's go and have a look. So here we go, we've got the event, we've got sponsors from Adobe, Epson, etc, etc. Photo IQ, that's the gallery that owns, and then we've got the various speakers that we got on here today. So we've got an amazing collection of speakers. Really looking forward to this. This is It's nice to be able to get this many people together, and I suppose virtually really helps that at the end of the day. How fantastic is that? 16 speakers, all giving their knowledge and enthusiasm across in a subject you're interested in. That's superb. Obviously, I can't wait for conferences to go back so we can have some one-to-one interaction. But actually, I think there's a future for this, and I think it's a really big future, because I'm getting to hear people I wouldn't expect to hear. When I do judging now, it's not just local. I do it all over the country, even all over the world. And I think that's the thing, it's bringing people together far more easily. Matt's done a superb job of getting all these people together. It was really interesting. It's great. I love the fact that I've got to 30 days to go back and look at some of those, because I did not watch them all on the same day. Maybe I should have, but I didn't. And that's the beauty of it, is that now I can go back and watch. Obviously, the downside of that is they're not there live. There was live Q&As where we could ask questions and interact with those presenters, which was, superb. But it's an option. And I really do like it as an option. And I think it will last. So if you get a chance to do a conference, I suggest you go and do it. And that's about it for today. It's about wrapped up. So for this vlog, we'll see you on the next one.